Monthly SaaS products. They're becoming quite common now, hey? It's just annoying that sometimes if we want to take a product for a spin or rethink about our usage of it, we don't get notified. And when we get charged, we are then looking into our bank account in regret, which goes on for months and months and months, and we just don't take action. Well, with AI becoming more common, there's a way to automate this. I'm going to show you how you can have notifications set up for your current or even potential subscriptions. Best part is that it's free and you can customize this at your own leisure. We're going to use ChatGPT because that's most commonly known, but you can use other services to do this. You may have to modify it, but that's how prompt engineering works. Right, here we are in our chat page and I am on ChatGPT, and as you can see, I am not logged in. So I am going to paste this prompt in, which I've prepared earlier. And the prompt I wrote is create an ICS format with the following monthly subscriptions in the time zone of +10 GMT or UTC. And then I've got 3 examples of a phone bill, iCloud, YouTube Premium with the prices and at the timeline, with one of them being a bit more ambiguous at the end of every month. Most likely you don't want to do that because what's the point of creating this? But I just want to show this as an example. Now, to go over a few things, this ICS format is used in multiple calendars, and that's why I'm using it. You can create one for a specific calendar, but I'm going to use ICS because that's applicable to most calendars to the audience. The reason I'm saying +10, that's because it's my local time zone, so you might want to check that on what time zone you're on, because most likely you want to set it at your local time zone. And then for the events I've got, you want to be careful on which one you choose and how you want to use it. So these are just 3 examples, but the best examples I can think of is that you're in a trial and you like the product so much, but you want to use it till the very end, or you're thinking about reducing some subscriptions and there's one particular that you want to use all the way till the end. So this method is for you. And of course, you can modify this prompt as much as you like, and that's the beauty of ChatGPT and all these other tools. All right, we'll go ahead and press enter. It will just create this, and it'll have some explanations, but you can see that's all done. So this is an ICS format, and obviously you can see it's not a downloadable file. So we're going to make one. So we're going to press copy code, head into our terminal, and I'm in my desktop. Now you can use any editor you like, but I'm going to use Vim. So I'm going to use Vim monthly subs .ics. Paste it in. Don't need to do anything. Save, and you're done. Now let's head over to our calendar. Now you can see this is an empty calendar. It has nothing in it. So this would be perfect for our example. So we'll go to settings, import and export, select file from your computer. You can see that monthly subs ICS file. Click on that, import. You'll get 3 out of 3 events imported. So that's all good. And as you can see, we have our first subscription on the 7th at 12 a.m., which is nice. And if we go on the 15th, we've got our next subscription at 12 a.m. And then if we go to the 30th, we got another subscription. Now, as you can see, the times are different, and that's because I didn't mention a specific time to set this, but you can do so in your prompt. Now, if I go to next month, you can see we start to see a change. And the reason why that's happening is because daylight savings starts on the 6th, and with daylight savings, everything goes 1 hour behind. If you remember, the time was 12 a.m. So if daylight savings is taken into account, it'll just go 1 hour back. Now, this isn't applicable to me, so I would go in and change that, as I don't live in the state that has daylight savings. And if we go to the month after, we can see the same with YouTube Premium. If we go till October, it still stands by the other prompt where it's on the last day of the month. So like I said before, you can customize this prompt as much as you like. You can change the time. You can make some of them one-offs. You can add more subscriptions. You can possibly add links to the description and much, much more. If you like this video, consider subscribing. I'm active on all social medias listed below. So X, Threads, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. And with that, I'll see you all later.